and they do the work of cutting the woods and also of plucking the field or harvesting the crop, all the works of the field. And it says that they have never felt the bitter cold or chopped ice for the waiting stock. It means her that fair lady's hand have never felt the cold in her hands. That is because she do not do any work. So she's during the winter season also she is hiding her hands with the gloves, and she does not put her hands in the water, due to which her hands have never feel that coldness, and neither her hands have chopped the ice, that is chopped the wood or the ice or water for the waiting stock. Stock means livestock, the one animals which are kept on the farm. उसकी उस मदर के हैंड ने कभी भी लाइफ स्टॉक के लिए कभी भी जो है वो लाइफ स्टॉक के लिए कभी भी कोई काम नहीं किया, उनके लिए पानी अरेंज नहीं किया होगा. ऑल्सो दे हैव नेवर डॉक्टर्ड सिक वन. दैट इज doctored sick ones means that that lady's hand might have never taken care of any sick person in a family. Doctored sick ones means to take care of a sick person. So neither she have dressed a horse hop, that is to join the legs of the horses. नहीं, that is उस mother के hand ने कभी भी horses के legs को join नहीं किया होगा. That is she have never worked with horses or in taking care of horse, and she have never pulled a hip lock calf. A hip lock calf means that is her mother have never made her hand use in pulling the calf out of the pulling the calf from the calf. Yes, Pari. Yes. Yes, Pari. Pari, you want to say something?
मैम मैंने कुछ बोला, मेरे को तो बस रीड करना था.
Pari. Okay, when she comes back, I will take her query. Okay. Now it is saying that the mother's hand might have never made any effort in pulling out the calf from the mother's womb. Also packed water to the barn. Barn is the building where the grains and all the straw and hay are stored. So that lady's hand might have never packed the water or taken the water or made the arrangement of the water in the barn for the livestock. Is it clear? Next is two lines which I will, next is, yes, Urvashi, you can read. Unmute yourself. After Urvashi, Palak can read. Yes, Urvashi.
मैम इस चैप्टर की भी समरी होगी क्या?
No, there is no need because it is a very easy poem. I don't think that there is any need to take the summary of this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Urvashi. Okay, Palak, you can read. Till she unmutes herself. Palak.
मैम रीड करूँ मैं? क्यों?
Yes, read, Palak. I am asking you to read.
They have probably never patched blue jeans or had worn all socks to dance. They have never touched a young'un or cast a fever head with hands so gently folded all night beside the bed.
Okay, now it is saying that it is telling about the hands of the fair lady who has never done all such kind of works, and it is also saying that the hands of that fair lady have never probably patched the blue jeans. That is, it is saying that when the patch that was a cut in the jeans of the lady, she might have never tried to patch it, that is to correct it with the needle and the thread. She has never hold the needle or a thread in his hand to patch, that is to correct that blue jeans, or she had never worn old socks to darn. To darn means to hide, okay, to mend something or to hide. Also that lady might have never worn old socks, पुराने socks उसने कभी भी नहीं पहने होंगे, to hide that patches in the blue jeans. And also they have never touched a youngin. Youngin means young ones, small children, okay. That lady might have never touched the forehead of a young children who is suffering from fever. And also she has never used her hands folding gently all the night beside the bed. That is, that lady might not have sit beside the bed with the child who is with his young one who is suffering from fever and spend the whole night sitting beside him in near on his bed. Okay. Next is, yes, who wants to read? Urvashi, where are you?
May I?
Yeah, Asta. Yes, you can read Asta. Urvashi, unmute yourself. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
They have
Yes,
never
Pari,
stopped.
just a second, Asta. Pari, do you want to say something? Pari, I cannot hear you. Pari, you are not audible, bete. Okay, Asta, you can read for the time being. Let her check her device. You can read.
They have never scrubbed a kitchen or done dishes every day. They have never guided with those hands a child who's lost the way.
Okay, it is saying that that lady have never scrubbed the kitchen floor. That is, she has never cleaned the kitchen floor, nor she has washed the utensils every day, which the poet's mother does. And also, that lady might have never guided a child who had lost the way with his hands. That is, she has never helped any child to hold his hand and help him to find the way which the child has lost. उसे कभी सही रास्ता नहीं दिखाया है उस बच्चे को जो अपना रास्ता भूल गया है. Next, yes, Urvashi, unmute yourself, beta. Yes, now you can read. Yes, Urvashi. Urvashi, you are not audible to me. Chavi, you can read. Chavi, unmute yourself and read. Sujal, do you want to read once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Read it.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
They have never made a Christmas gift shaped by a lovin's hand. They have never peeled apples nor vegetables. They have canned. They have never worn a blister or had calluses. मैम ये क्या लिखा है?
It's callous to show.
Okay, ma'am. For all they have done for others, and the kindness is I know.
Okay, now in this the poet is saying that the fair lady's hand has never made a Christmas gift shaped with a loving hand. That is, she has never made any gift lovingly with her own hands for his children, as this lady, the poet's mother, does. And she has never peeled the apples nor the vegetables which they have canned. Can means stored. You know, there are fruits and vegetables which are stored in can. So that lady has never peeled the fruits and the vegetables which have been canned, and she is not also wearing doesn't mean to wear, but is she is, that lady is not having blisters, that is फफोले जो हो जाते हैं after working long, she is not having blisters on her hands, and also calluses to show. Calluses means the hardening of the skin of the hand due to lots of work done and due to hard work which is done, which is not considered good for the skin. That is, when working hard, the skin of the hand gets hard. She that lady is not having blisters and calluses in her hands also, and all they have done for others, that is all such kind of work which is done for the others and not for personally but for others. And the kindnesses I know, and all that kindness which I know, which my mother have for me. Okay, and all that kindness that fair lady is not having for any other family members. Okay. Okay, Komal, would you like to read, Komal?
Yes, ma'am.
Read it, beta.
So you, she, my dearest Mama, your hands are of love, and I bet the Lord will notice when He greets you from above.
Okay, now in the last stanza, the poet is saying that, so my dearest Mama, you see that your are hands of love, which means your hands are the one who always show the love for me and the other family members through the work which you do for us. Okay, the hands of love, the hands which are used doing all the household work for us, the hands which are used to take care of us during our sickness, and the hands which are used to make special gifts for us on the special occasions like Christmas and other festivals. And so I bet Lord will notice. Lord here refers to God. And the poet is saying, I bet, mother, that the Lord will notice when he greets you from the above. That is, when the God will see you from the above, and he will see that, he will see all the love and all the care which you give us, and he will also notice your hands which are hard and which are not as soft and not as wide because of all the work which you do for. Is it clear? And also the God will be grateful and he will welcome you from above. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, मैम आपने चैप्टर 4 की समरी दी थी क्या? The way through the woods की.
yeah, I gave the summary.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I don't have it.
I'll share it with you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, if anybody wants to ask anything from this poem, you can ask.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Komal. Yes, Komal.
मैम अब हम कॉपी सबमिट कर सकते हैं क्या स्कूल में अगर वर्क कंप्लीट है तो?
I will let you know because I think I should. You will be given one day, and you have to submit the copy on that particular day itself.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, Pari. Yes, Pari.
What is the meaning of
Pari, can you write in the chat box? I cannot hear you, Pari.
No, she is saying what is the meaning of calluses.
It is hardening of the skin of hand due to lot of work and due to hard work done. Hard means rough work जो होता है, that is washing, putting the hands for in water for long time or for chopping and all. When we cut the vegetables and all, the hands get hard. The skin of this hand gets hard. That is known as callosis. Okay. Okay. Now let's discuss the question and answers. Do you think the poet is proud of his mother? Give reason in support of your answer. Do you think the poet is proud of his mother? You can give the answer in your own language also. Nobody?
Ma'am, the poet
Yes.
is proud of his mother because her mother is very hardworking and she
Okay.
can do every household work.
And anybody else? Why is poet proud of his mother? Give reason. You can give the answer in your own
मैम
language. Yes.
मेरे को इतना अच्छे से आता नहीं है, पर the poet is proud of his mother because he loves his mother and मेरे को उतना आइडिया नहीं है.
Okay. Yes, Komal, you want to give the answer? You can try.
The poet is proud of his mother because her mother is very hardworking and do everything for the poet, and she doesn't care for her hands and give happiness to happiness to her family.
Very good. Exactly, it's right. But we can change the language. Yes, the poet is proud of his mother because he considered it as a blessing to have a loving mother like his, who spent her all day long in working for his family members, and the poet also want his mother not to feel disgrace about his working hands. So all these things shows that the poet is proud of his mother who keeps on working for them, and she does not care of his hands getting rough and as dirty as not as clean as compared to the other lady who does not do much such kind of work. Is it clear? Next is, why does the poet's mother hide her hands? Yes, anybody? You can give the answer in your own words also.
मैम ये भी कॉपी में लिखने की हमें आपके साथ साथ.
No. I'll share the screen with you after discussion.
ओके मैम.
Yes, Nirbhay?
मैम अभी तो आप लिखना शुरू करवा दो, हमें लिखना शुरू करना अभी या फिर मार्क करना.
No. I'll share the screen with you after the discussion of the question and answers. Then you can take the screenshot of this.
6 का भी दिखा देना.
Okay. Do you think why does the poet's mother hide her hands? Yes, Charlie.
मैम
Yes, Varsha, you can give the answer.
The poet's mother hides her hands because she has blisters on her hands and have very rough hands, and she have very rough hands.
Exactly, very good. Anybody else?
She don't have that type of hand that non-working mothers have.
Okay, very good. Anybody else? Okay, yes, the poet's mother hide her hands because when she looks at the soft and the white hands of the fair lady, she feels disgraced. That is, she feels shameful of having working hand like hers, and the poets wanted not to have. Okay, to feel disgrace about his working hand. Okay, and she also feel disgrace about the blisters and the callousness of her hands. Okay, next is, whose hands were never guided a child who lost his way?
And mom's head.
Whose
मैम
hand?
द फेयर
Mom.
लेडीज.
Very good. It is the fair lady's hand. Next is, so you see, my dearest mama, your are hands of love. Why does the poet say so?
So the poet said that. The poet said this because her mother did every work for his child and never. मैम समझ में नहीं आ रहा आगे का. कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है थोड़ा.
I said na, your are hands of love. It means what? Hands of love. It means that your hands are. Poet want to say because his mother loves him very much. She spends all her day working for him. She does not even care that his hands are getting dirty or what. But by doing all the work for him and the other family members, she is trying to show the love to the poet by doing all the work with her hands. Okay, so poet says so because his mother loves him very much, and she also spent all her day working for him, nursing him, that is taking care of him, and she does not even care for the blisters and callousness in her hand. Okay. Next is, how are the hands of other ladies different from the poets and the poet's mother?
Ma'am, can I give?
Yes, yes.
The
Yes,
hands
Varsha, you
of
can.
other ladies are different because from poets' mamas, because the poets' mama do every
No,
household work.
how are they different? कैसे? उनमें difference क्या है? What is the difference between the hands?
The mama's hand were rough and having blisters because she don't have any time to clean their hands and take care of her hands. And other ladies' hands were very fair and soft because they.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, mama's hands represent household works.
Yes, very good. How are the hands of other ladies? यानी दूसरी ladies की compare करने हैं as compared to poets' mother's hand. We can say that the other ladies' hands are soft and white as compared to poet's mother hand, who keeps on working whole day long, and she is having blisters and callousness in her hand. Is it clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
next is, you have to study the title of the poem. What do mama's hand represent? What does mama's hand represent?
मैम मैंने पहले इसका आंसर दिया था.
Okay, you can give once again. What does the title mama's hand represent? Open your videos, everybody.
मैम
मैम हाउसहोल्ड वर्क.
ये हो सकता है क्या कि the mamas are meaning that the mother is the most lovable person in the world,
Okay.
and
मैम हाउसहोल्ड वर्क.
Okay. Okay, mama's hand represent both. It represents the love and the care with the mothers give to their children, and also the hard work she does to take care or to nurse the child and the other family members. So, mama's hand represents the love and the care of the mother for the poet, and poet consider his mother's love a blessing, who spent all the day working for him and the other family members. Is it clear? So it represents both love, care, and hard work. That is working as Susan said, all these three. So this mama's hand represents the love, care, and the household work which mother have and she does for the children. Okay. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll share the screen with you. You can take the screenshot of the answers of this lesson. Okay.
ma'am book exercise.
There is only one exercise in which there is a list of some things that the poet's mother does in and around the house, and few things that she does not do. Take the one that she does. You have to take the one which she does. We'll
Can we
discuss this
do it in
exercise
the homework?
after the screenshot. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
We'll discuss it. Okay. Can you see? Just a second. Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, this is the you can take it in one shot also because these are only 6 answers.
Ma'am, taken.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, taken.
Rest all of you can also take.
Ma'am, taken.
Urvashi, take the screenshot. Urvashi and Yash Sharma. Yash Sharma.
मैम
मैम also.
Yes.
मैम जो चैप्टर 7 था ना राष्ट्रपति भवन वाला मैम तो उसमें जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 था ना उसमें सिर्फ 2 ही पॉइंट्स थे जबकि उसमें 3 पॉइंट्स होने चाहिए ना
I share the screen with you na. In that there are 3 points.
I clicked only 2.
Who? Asta.
Martha. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me see if I can find it right now. In chapter number 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Rashtrapati Bhavan. You can see over here. Which question?
Question number 5.
Question number 5. Okay, I have also written 3 vision. I have also written 2 1. Okay, na? It's okay. I'll give you the third one. Okay. What was the third vision of Abdul Kalam?
Yes, ma'am.
क्वेश्चन why not second दिखाना
Okay, I have also written 2. I'll give you the third one. What was his third vision? You can see, you can take it the third vision on page number 43 of your books. You can open it. Page number 43. Second last paragraph. Second last paragraph.
Yes, ma'am.
I have a third vision and I want to see India stand up to the world. I believe that unless India stand up to the world, no one will respect us. Only strength respects strength. Up till here. These 2 lines of the second last paragraph is the third vision of Abdul Kalam. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. मैम यहाँ पे जो आई है उसकी जगह अब्दुल कलाम आएगा ना?
Yeah, Abdul Kalam.
Okay, ma'am.
His third vision was, you can write it as. Okay? Anybody else?
excuse me ma'am
Yes.
मैम मेरा चैप्टर 6 टिक नहीं हो रखा
Chapter 6th.
हाँ
Chapter 5th.
yes
Which
ma'am
fifth?
yes ma'am
मैम chapter 6.
Where were you? Where were you when the 5th chapter was being done? Huh? Chapter number 5th English. Chapter 6. Yes, you can take the screenshot. The cross tuskers. It means you have not completed this chapter also. Okay, 7th class. I am giving you 2 to 3 days of this week. Entire week I am giving you. On next Monday I will check the work of each and every student from chapter number 1 to chapter number 8. I want complete work till Monday in the copies to be done. Completed till Monday. And also
स्कूल में देनी है
no. I will see it on the screen. I will see all the work, all the student works one by one, and also the work up till verb. All the grammar topic, notice, message, bio sketch, and verb, adverb, determine, not
मैम
adverb,
नोटिस और मैसेज
adjective.
तो बुक में थे ना?
No, I
मैम
have.
मैसेज
Yeah,
तो
notice and
एक
messages
ही
were
तो
in
था
book.
कॉपी में.
Yeah, only
Yes,
bio
ma'am.
sketch was to be done in the copy, one. And
Yes,
entire work of grammar also should be completed till Monday. Is it clear? Who wants to take a screenshot of this cross discuss? Be quick. Taken, Nirbhay? Nirbhay.
मैम एक बार दोबारा थोड़ा पीछे करना.
मैम मैम 4th चैप्टर है ना इंग्लिश रीडर में, उसमें आपने ट्रू फॉल्स नहीं कराए थे.
True false we have done in the book.
नो मैम आपने कराया नहीं था, आपने कहा था खुद कर लेना.
Okay, in the fourth true false. We have done. I am sure we have done. Only fifth one is false and rest all are true. Okay,
ओके
Susan?
मैम.
Only fifth one is false.
मैम हो सकता है मेरा नेटवर्क आ गया होगा.
Yeah, I have discussed. It's okay. It doesn't matter. Okay, take the screenshot. Be quick, all of you. Done?
मैम सिर्फ 5th वाला ही फॉल्स है.
Yes. Taken, everybody. So now you can easily complete your work up till here. In English grammar up till verb.
Yes, ma'am.
And in English reader up till chapter number 8. I have shared everything with you.
मैम
Still anybody is having any problem, you can ask. Yes, Palak.
मैम ये जो एक एक्सरसाइज बची है क्वेश्चन नंबर बी की वो करवा दो फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास की है हमारी.
Okay, you can give. Who makes snow? She makes snowman out of ice. Yes or no?
No.
No. She helps the delivery of the calves. It's yes.
Yes.
And she takes care of all the needs of her children.
Yes.
Yes. She gets a servant to curb and clean the house.
No.
She buys Christmas gift for the family.
Yes.
No. She buys. No. She not buys. She makes.
She makes.
She soils her hand working in the garden and in the kitchen.
एक
Yes. Yes.
Yes.